Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We're looking at a Mini Cooper today. The customer stated that they had had the clutch and throwout bearing replaced probably about a year and a half ago. The vehicle was starting to make some noise. They weren't quite sure where it was coming from. We went for a test drive with them and noticed that when the vehicle's clutch was engaged, the noise was there. But as soon as we stepped on the clutch, the noise would go away. A lot of times that indicates there could be an issue with the throwout bearing, or maybe the shaft that the bearing slides back and forth on. We informed the customer we would need to remove the transmission to get a better look at what was going on inside, and then be able to inform them of the repair that was needed. Upon inspection, after the trans was removed, we noticed that the bearing was indicating that it had some issues, as well as that shaft that it slides on had some rough groove surfaces. We informed them we would have to get a couple parts ordered for them. They said go ahead. As soon as we got the parts in, we put it back together, took it for a drive. Everything was smooth and quiet as it should perform. Again, manual transmissions are becoming a little bit more obsolete, but we here at 3D do have the staff that is knowledgeable in manual transmission repair and clutch repair. So if you have a vehicle like that and you're not quite sure where to take it, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to inspect it, take it for a drive, make sure everything's working correctly. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so that everybody can get the information that they need.